Tip number 4 for a natural looking smile simulation. After you select the gum layer, if was needed for the case, you move to the stamp tool. And the stamp tool is where you're going to erase areas where you might be seeing the patient's teeth showing through, or you can make some minor gum corrections. So click on the photo, you click in copy, and you click on the photo. So you're gonna see a stamp like a circle size. I'm gonna reduce to the smallest side, and I'm gonna come here on the patient's right side on the back, and I'm gonna copy one of those like darker areas. So I'm gonna now click in paste, and I'm gonna go on the distal of the canine to remove the teeth were showing through a little bit, and also on her left side on the mesial of the premolar. Now I'm gonna click in copy again, and I'm gonna select another color. So I'm gonna go clear. I'm gonna come here closer to the mesial of the canine, and I'm gonna copy that area. I'm gonna paste, and I'm gonna hide that little area with the same shade, and probably go to the left side and also make minor changes. Now I'm gonna copy on the left side, I'm gonna copy on the left side on the lateral, and I'm gonna paste in the mesial, trying to cover that area. So now I'm gonna come closer to the right lateral. I'm gonna copy a darker area, and I'm gonna paste over that area that is showing through. This is very challenging when the patient is biting down, so it's hard sometimes to mask in a more natural way. So a tip is always make sure the patient is slightly open when you take the photo for the simulation. It's gonna make your life much easier if you need to remove areas from the incisal edge.